Hello, everyone, and welcome to Champion English. Yay! Let's go, students. It's the long I sound. So, can we say that? Long I
Long I
sounds.
sound.
Long I sounds.
Long I sound.
Notice the long I has a bar over cross of it. It says I. That's it. So the first one, bright.
Bright.
Dwight.
Dwight.
Someone said, what is Dwight? It's a person's name. Come on. Bright.
Bright.
Dwight.
Dwight.
Fight.
Fight.
Height.
Height.
Light.
Light.
Might.
Might.
Night.
Night.
Right.
Right.
You're right.
You are right.
Sight.
Side.
And tight.
Tight.
Okay, we're going to sound them out. Are you ready? Br and ite.
Bright.
He's got it. Dw and I.
Dwight.
He's got it. F and I.
Fight.
H and I.
Height.
L and I.
Light.
M and I.
Might.
N and I.
Night.
R and I.
Right.
S and I.
Side.
And T and I.
Tight.
Excellent. That was certainly an A+. I'm going to have to give you a 4.0. That was an A+. Okay. Bright.
Bright.
Dwight.
Dwight.
Fight.
Fight.
Height.
Height.
Light.
Light.
Might.
Might.
Night.
Night.
Right.
Right.
Sight.
Side.
And too tight.
Too tight.
Excellent. High five.